Fields are variables declared within a class or struct, but outside of any method, constructor, or property. They hold data or state for the object or class and can be accessed or modified by methods or other members of that class, depending on their access modifiers. Fields can have access modifiers such as private, public, protected, or internal, which control their visibility and accessibility from outside the class. Public fields are directly accessible and their values can be modified openly. Fields are typically marked as private or protected to prevent external access, following the principle of encapsulation. A field can be marked as static, read-only, or both. A read-only field can only be assigned a value once, either at the point of declaration or within the constructor. Use fields when you need to store internal data without requiring logic for getting or setting values, especially when you want to keep data private and don't need validation or transformation.